The Moto X series isn't what it used to be. Since Lenovo's acquisition of Motorola's smartphone business, the once high-end Moto X lineup has been demoted to a mid-range ranking, overtaken by the Z series as the Moto brand's top smartphone selection. But this year's Moto X4 has intrigued us nonetheless. In a nutshell, it is a mid-range handset with premium looks, one that just barely eclipses the G series spec sheet, but stands out with its fancy construction, dual camera setup, and IP68 water resistance. It currently costs $350 unlocked on Motorola's website, $325 from Google with Android One software and Project Fi service, or $280 on Amazon as the Prime exclusive phone with lock screen ads. But is any of these Moto X4 flavors actually worth getting? In the box. Moto X4. USB-C to USB a turbocharger. Quick start guides and warranty info. Multimedia. Watching videos and listening to music is a decent experience when utilizing the onboard speaker. The earpiece does double as the phone's low loudspeaker, and while it's not ideal, it does get pretty loud. Speaking of loud, the Moto X4 does have a pretty cool party trick for media consumption. Tired of being constrained to only one Bluetooth speaker? Good news, the X4 lets you connect to up to 4 simultaneously. Not only was this a super useful and fun little trick, but we didn't experience any issues with latency or connection. The only downside is that all other Bluetooth devices, that is wearables, will be disconnected. Battery life. We're happy to make the acquaintance of Motorola's turbocharge once again, as it can provide the X4 with 6 hours of use from just a 15-minute charge, filling the battery from 0 to nearly 30%. Charging from 0 to 100 was quick too, clocking in at about an hour and 40 minutes, while lasting over 9.5 hours in our custom discharge test. These results were pretty much on par with our real-world use, as the X4 had no issue making it through a day of heavy use.